some classic 1920s Art Deco hand decorated Salisbury China to show you in the Bradley's product or branding. This is all hand painted, which is incredible of its era, really. All the gilt work, all this lineage, all hand applied. There is some moulding into these square Cape plates, 9.5 inch, nice central round well, and then the decoration on the handle area. These are all the same 9.5 inch. It doesn't extend out like some of the later versions or shapes of Cape plates, so it's perfectly round. If I just show you the side elevation, not a deep serving plate, lovely gilt retention as you can see around the outer rims, really nice thing. And glaze reflection, if I can get it in this light box, there we go, really nice and clean. An unusual design, always reminds me a little bit of a sort of dragon or lizard's tail, particularly that bit with a little sort of what looks like feet coming off. Unusual. We've got this one in teacups, sugar basin, milk jug, and I think there may be a teapot in it as well. Very unusual design of its era. It's a Marmite piece really, isn't it? Love it or hate it. I think I'd rather quite like it because it's a good conversation piece and nobody's going to have one like it if you go for this. So do have a look through on the 9165 pattern reference, which we know this is, that's its pattern number. This one hasn't actually got that applied on it. It's just got the Salisbury China Bradley's England crown marks in black on the base. But other pieces from this set we were lucky enough to find with the pattern reference number 9165. So if you search on that on the website, should pull up all pieces currently on catalogue, and a very unusual and rare piece of 1920s, 1930s English bone china. Thanks for watching.